Hi, my name is Nick George with Cause Diamond Sharpening, just to show you a little video of how to oil your blade. Okay, this is a clipper blade. This is the comb, this is the cutter, this is the guide, and this is the spring, and this is the socket, and these are the screws. Okay, so to oil is fairly easy. If you look, see how shiny that is? You want to keep it that way so it's better on your clipper and everything. Your blades stay sharper longer because if dirt gets in them, it doesn't sit there and grind, it goes off with the oil. Oil is a necessity. And also if you use cool lube, it does have oil in it, but it mainly evaporates with the compressed oxygen or nitrogen, whatever's in there. So use this after you use cool lube. Okay, so what I do is you can either have it running or not, and you can put a dot here, a dot in the middle, and a dot on the edge, or you could just go all the way across and just put a little. See? You just need a little in there. You put a little across the guide because it's running across the guide. You don't want that thing to melt. These back runners, put a dot here and put a dot here, and then it's oiled. Have a good day.